Hello, my loves. Today, you're going to be doing an activity called Chapter 11, quote unquote, test. Now, Jesus, don't worry about it. It's not a real test. I know you said, please, no tests. Not a test. We're calling it a test because it's at the end of the chapter and it's on the pages that say Chapter 11 review/test. So it's really a self-test. You're testing yourself. Now, I'm not taking this as a grade, and I'm not even going to look to see what score you got. If you want to brag on yourself and you want to message me and tell me that you got an A or a B or a C, feel free to do that. I love to hear these wonderful things about you. But I'm curious just to know how much you can remember from Chapter 11, because this is the first full chapter that we've done with distance learning. Remember, we've never done this before. So we started Chapter 11, we ended Chapter 11, and I'm curious to know how much you've been able to learn through these videos. So do your absolute best on that test, and it's not even going to tell me what your name is. It won't even tell me what your score was. I don't get to see any of that. So if you want me to know, you're going to have to tell me what your score is. What you're going to do is go to Chapter 11 test, Google practice form, and here's your Chapter 11 review/test. And we have multiple choices here, and you can pick only one. Multiple choice again, pick only one. Whoop, click. See how it only lets you pick one? Name the polygon, you can only pick one. Now here, is it a regular or is it irregular? You can only pick one. Again, name the polygon. What's the name of it? Is it regular or irregular? Name the polygon. Is it regular? Is it irregular? Name the polygon. Is it regular? Is it irregular? Okay. Now this one's different. Notice it has check boxes here instead of multiple choice. And the reason is, it says, classify it in as many ways as possible. This is like the check all that apply. See how I'm able to check all of them? Or I can just check a few of them here and there. So make sure you check all that apply. Here is another one. Classify in as many ways as possible. So maybe this figure is all of these things. You'll have to look and check. Classify the figure. Here's multiple choice again. You only have one choice. And here's another multiple choice. You only have one. This one's interesting. This is a new type of answer I tried. How many cubes? You type in the number. That's kind of neat. And then again, multiple choice, multiple choice, multiple choice, multiple choice, multiple choice, multiple choice, and multiple choice. Okay? When you finish this, you click submit, and it's going to ask you to view your score. And my score, I got 4 out of 24. I didn't do very well. And now the reason it's 4 out of 24, even though it only goes to 19, it's because some of these I put as 2-part problems. So where are they? They're the ones that say this one. So there's 6A and 6B, and there's 5A and 5B, and 4A and 4B. So there are 24 points all together. Okay, so tell me what your score is. I'm curious to know. Now, after you review it, see, you can close out here at the top, close it out, and you can go ahead and submit another response. You can take the test all over again, as many times as you want. Okay, and then you're going to go back to my page, and it says, do your eye ready. Make sure you hit that weekly goal of at least 50. Everybody has to do 50, especially if you want to be counted as as present for the whole week. And remember, if you want perfect attendance, you have to be present for 50 minutes of reading and 15 minutes of math. Then your other 2 grades, measuring volume using formulas and practice volume of rectangular prisms. Those are grades and they have to be done. Please get them done before the weekend. Get them done today if you haven't already finished them. Then you've got your science video here. Here's my lesson. And then we've got a Foucault pendulum video, and then your science studies weekly. Again, please make sure that you've got this done before the weekend. That way you can relax and not have to worry about doing any work. Last week, I had to email a lot of parents to warn them that you guys have not done your work over the week, and then you had to rush and do it over the weekend. I had students working at 10 o'clock at night on Sunday. Please don't do that to yourself or to your parents. Get it done. That way you can rest and relax over the weekend. Okay? That's it for me today. I want you guys to do your best on this Google practice form. Make sure you get all your lessons done. And, message me on Class Dojo. Okay? I love you guys. Bye.